I've been wanting to actually write down some of the things that I've been learning on a day-to-day basis, especially things related to network marketing, as I am an entrepreneur. So whether you're an online marketer or a network marketer or an affiliate marketer, it is good to be constantly on our toes to learn and to apply the things that we have learned. Hi there, this is Sheila and I'm from Singapore. I have been looking for a book with lots of lines, like a notebook. I didn't want to buy one because there are lots of notebooks that I have in my house, but they just don't seem to fit the criteria of how I want them to look like. So anyway, I was going through all my old notebooks that I had, and then I came across this very old diary actually, and somebody actually gave this to me, and it's in French, and it says thankful. And so I thought, oh, that's a very interesting title, but then I realized that it comes from the chocolate Merci. So I think it was a free gift at that time, and so somebody actually just gave it to me, and I just kept it, and I opened it the other day, and it's exactly what I wanted actually, lines, and big enough so that I can scribble and write big words in large print. So I've been actually writing things down, things that I have been learning, and hopefully this learning experience, as I translate them into my videos, you will benefit from them, and that you will be able to apply them in your own life. So now, you want to become a networker, okay? I'm an entrepreneur, yes. I've been working on it for the last 5 years. Have I arrived? Nah, still working at it. Have I been successful? Well, you can say on different levels I have become successful. One of them is time management. There's no place for procrastination or laziness, because it is actually your business. And for me, being an entrepreneur and being an affiliate marketer is my business, and I need to develop myself, and I need to create that sense of learning and growing. So for many years, this is what I did. When I first started, I didn't know anything about network marketing, so I learned it all by myself. And so I signed up for this program that was saying, oh, sign up, and then you'll be able to learn, you'll be able to make money, and then it was like, oh, okay, it was not what I expected. And then something else would come along, and then I would sign up, and then it was like, not really what I expected. And then another shiny object would come along, and then I'm like, okay. Now this went on for quite a long time, until I started to get overwhelmed. Now, when you feel overwhelmed, it can really be devastating, because it can incapacitate you. Just feeling the sense of, I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know where I'm heading, I don't know whether what I'm doing is correct. Oh, I wish I had some kind of mentorship, some kind of help. And along the way, I'm glad I became wiser. And now, after 5 years, let me share with you some of the things that I have changed. Okay, 2018 began pretty good for me actually. I decided that I was going to be more intentional in my meditation. Now, different people meditate differently. For some people, it is doing the breathing exercises and just clearing their minds and just meditate. For other people, it's like maybe doing yoga or listening to certain kinds of music. For me, my meditation comes from this book. Okay, it comes from the Bible. Of course, whatever works for you, you do it. But for me, this works because there are lots of principles in this book that I have learned, and it has helped me to apply them in my network marketing business. Right. So remember that meditation is important. So some people think that you have to actually empty your mind and clear your mind. For me, it is like I don't need to empty my mind. I just need to focus on the things that are important, okay, the things that are valuable, the things that are honorable, the things that makes me get excited when I wake up in the morning. So reading the Bible and meditating on the Word of God is my cup of tea. And then the day begins. Okay, after that, breakfast, getting ready with the family and sorting things out, and then sitting down and writing down my goals for the day, what I want to accomplish, and then putting them into action. Now, have you ever heard of this phrase, knowledge is power? Well, I used to actually believe in that, knowledge is power. But then I realized that the application of knowledge is power. We can have a lot of head knowledge here, but if it does not translate, okay, into our everyday lives, where the application takes place, we have missed it. Somehow or other, we have missed it. So, as my journey in these last 5 years as a network marketer has evolved, I think that I am in a position where I can share more and more of my experiences. So I think I'll end here because I actually only wanted to do a 5-minute video session, but it has gone on to nearly 6 minutes, past 6 actually. So I will continue this in my next video because I want to talk about being intentional, and I hope that you will look forward to receive notifications from me. So click on the subscribe button, okay, and the bell button notification so that when the next video comes out, you will be notified. So in the meantime, have a good day. Bye for now.